Are we ready? Shall we start the show, mate? Got this on station. A large smoke trail.
Jelly 2-1.
See if it looks any better and clear.
There was an Airbus 300 that just departed in that direction. It could be them.
You guys got something going on over there?
Yeah, we're just trying to get an idea of where that's, where their aircraft's on fire up in the air up there.
This is TV. TV's no better.
Confirming a controlled fire. It looks like there's a flame.
One of you guys able to get ties on it? You're right, man. We're southwest of the field. What are you referring to? Roger.
Jelly 2-1, if you look to the south of the field, there's a big trail of smoke, probably about 3,000 or so feet in the air.
What did you guys say about an aircraft on fire?
We have flames coming out the back.
Okay, not in sight, ma'am. Well, it looks like it's continuing along a semi-flight type path. You know, it's like not falling, really, and not coming apart.
And Jelly 2-1, expedite crossing extended center line runway 33 left.
Roger that. And Jelly 2-1 has visual on the smoke trail, ma'am.
Jelly 2-1.
Hey, Gramps, did you guys say there's an aircraft on fire?
Roger.
And we see no correlating smoke on the ground. Do you need us to further investigate that?
Jelly 2-1, we're referring to an aircraft in the air. It appears they're having an emergency engine fire. They're turning back to the field now.
Roger that. We're going to proceed to additional line this time.
Jelly 2-1, expedite crossing extended, both extended center line.
We're going to break off of that now and go back to our police station, or continue recording it?
Yeah, continue recording.
Surf 22, runway 33 left, continue approach, check wheels.
Continue, surf 23.
Jersey Gramps, we're going to try to keep him in sight. We're going to try to film this thing all the way to the ground, but we'll keep you in sight also.
Roger, we'll go over to the NAI and check it out.
Go to narrow.
Narrow field of view?
Yeah.
And TV?
TV.
No, Cobra, I circle.
Finals go down.
Yeah, we're going to come back to the right, wait till that guy gets
Surf 22, runway 33 left, clear to land.
Land, 33 left, surf 23.
Oh, looks like something's coming out of it now. Another big plume.
Coming around, right?
Roger.
Field transfer, no. At his left engine.
Yeah, it looks like a far left engine.
Tower Dragon Tamer 5-4.
Dragon Tamer 5-4, tower.
Roger, 5-4 is observing the aircraft inbound under our sighting system. He's got, appears to be a fire on his far left engine.
Oscar Delta Lima, Lima. Correction, Dragon Tamer 5-4, thanks.
Tower, Jelly 2-1, copies all.
Jelly 2-1.
Tower Lima Lima, we are in emergency here, and
Oh, I just lost it.
Oscar Delta Lima, Lima, Baghdad, tower report, distance.
right, we're in a full emergency here. We've lost all hydraulics, and I think we're on fire as well. I think we've been hit by something.
What's that?
And we're
give me
trying
back
to
on the
land
left, lost sight of
now.
it.
We won't be talking too much now. I mean, we're trying to land.
Oscar Delta Lima, Lima, runway 33 right. Clear to land, check gear down.
Okay, we're clear to land. Thank you very much.
Tower, Jelly 2-1, request direct to Mike land. Oh shit, there's a helicopter. Let's see.
Correction,
Okay,
Jelly 2-1,
look left.
back direct to Mike. Jelly 2-1, taxiway Mike, clear to land.
2-1.
Oscar Delta Lima, Lima, if available, request fuel.
There he is.
Looks like the fire's, well, not burning so brightly anymore.
Yeah.
32.
Tower Delta Lima Lima.
Oscar Delta Lima, Lima, request amount of fuel on board.
Say again, 3 on board. Total 3 on board. And could you please clear 3 left for us as well? Because I think we don't have flight controls as well.
Oh crap.
Oscar Delta Lima, Lima, 33 left is available if you need to land there.
Okay, keep both runways open for us and no more talking. Bye.
Coming left. Holy shit, look at that.
Tower readiness 5-5, flight at 2836 miles to the north, inbound with hotel for SeaWorld.
Go to Flare. Roger.
Readiness 5-5, report landing ashore SeaWorld.
Flare. Go to Flare. Go to zoom in. Okay, come back out. Don't change field of view.
This is Enrique. What do you say you want us to do here?
Readiness 5-5,
We were waiting for
remain
him to come
outside 5
in. Yeah, so I
miles,
think
have an
the
emergency
ATC is
aircraft
checking
to land from the south.
Don't change.
Readiness 5-5 will hold to the north, thanks.
Can we hand over?
Readiness 5-5 will advise.
I don't know. I can't. Go to Flare.
Readiness
You want to go and play around with the bird that's trying to land
Look
on the
up,
mountain?
left, right.
Oh yeah, we can take them.
Okay, don't ever change fields of view.
Dragon Timber
Okay,
42-2864 is holding northeast 5 miles. We'll stay here until the aircraft lands.
Lima Lima.
Not field view?
Tower, this is Lima Lima.
Oscar Lima Lima, go ahead.
Could you please declare full emergency? We need the fire brigade because our landing gears might collapse as well.
Oscar Lima Lima, all available assistance is available on the field. Everyone is at full alert.
Thank you very much and no more calls.
That guy's got a... He's pretty stressed.
Rightfully so. You guys got that under his left engine's on fire.
Bye.
Baghdad Tower, this is advice from Baghdad.
He said he thinks he was hit by something. He was pretty high when that thing went off there, whatever it was. And it looked like the smoke trail was all coming after. I saw a missile shot where the thing went completely through it. You have like a nice little X in the sky from the smoke trails of both the missile and the ensuing smoke off of the aircraft.
Baghdad Tower, stable, med that.
You are
Stable
recording
medevac
this.
Baghdad.
Roger, it is recording.
Roger, can you tell us how many POB on that airplane that is having an emergency right now?
POB 3.
Copy, we're going to go ahead and launch one of our aircraft just in case. Correction, we've got one on standby.
Stable medevac copied.
You guys see him? Is he down safe?
Negative. He's turning base to final now.
The fucking flames like going out to about 100 feet every now and then.
You have visual on this guy?
No, I'm looking right in there. He's way out there.
Yeah.
I'm looking at your queued line of sight, but...
Yeah, I have too. That's
Oh, I think the fire went out.
It's not even the engine that's on fire, it's just the wing out there.
Yeah. I think the engine was on fire, though. I don't know, maybe I'm going to get a hot or an easy and turn flare. It might just be the wing that's on fire.
Grams,
you guys filming it?
Roger. Looks like the fire's out, isn't it?
Yeah, it did earlier, too, but then it smoked back up again. He might be just dumping fuel like crazy, trying to...
Yeah.
I'm assuming they can do that.
Oh, I got a visual on him now.
Oh, roger, telling.
Nope, still on fire.
Yeah, sure enough.
The left wing tip.
Yeah, that's bad. If it gets into the fuel cell, man, he might be screwed.
I wonder if we got...
Tower, Delta Lima Lima.
Oscar Lima Lima Tower.
We need to do another turn because we have a bit of problems controlling the aircraft.
Oscar Lima Lima, track as required, no traffic.
Thank you.
He said he lost one of his hydraulic systems already?
Yeah. And too bad. That's gut-wrenching, man. They're up there doing everything they can.
Yeah, no crap.
I think I'd head out to the desert with my
I'd try to, well, yeah. In terms of, you know, just self-preservation, I think I'd rather try to crash on a runway than crash into the desert. Right, if crash, you might as well crash there, but then again, you're talking about crashing on people here.
Yeah, trying to land on a runway, whereas you can just fucking belly up in the desert, and the sand would probably put out any fire as you're...
I don't think the sand was on fire any more than concrete would.
There was only 3 people on board?
Yeah, that's what he said.
May have any idea what altitude this guy's flying at?
He's about 2,000 feet. He's probably about a mile off the end of the runway.
Is that a DHL?
Yeah.
I guess it's what the Oscar Delta Lima Lima call sign is.
Tower, Charlie 4-1.
Jolly 2-1 Tower.
Stand be advised, we have 2 combat rescue helicopters, change of line.
Jolly 2-1, thanks for your assistance.
Yeah, those guys be much better suited on the scene than we would. But we can provide security.
To acknowledge gear is observed down.
Dragon main, Dragon Tamer 50, correction 54.
You calling Lima Lima?
Oscar Lima Lima, no need to acknowledge gear is down.
Roger, we're observing a civilian airliner that is on fire. It is now approaching Baghdad. Tower is notified, and if you guys can notify the medevac, they'll probably need medevac. They have lost their hydraulic systems and their left wing is on fire. How copy?
Baghdad Tower, Dragon Tamer 50.
Dragon Tamer 54,
Tamer 54,
Roger, Dragon Tamer 50. Underneath our system, we can see his gear is down.
Dragon Tamer 50, I think.
I wonder if it has like a hydraulic locking mechanism to keep that gear down, or if it's a gravity type lock, or...
Probably both. And that can't be good. That wing, I mean,
That thing's been burning for a while.
he has not lost a lot of altitude.
I don't have been visual anymore.
Yeah, he's right off the nose. Well, no, I just lost him. But I can... Jersey Gramps, you ever get a hold of 311?
Not yet. Not yet.
Calling Tower, unreadable tag.
Just in case we ain't go anywhere. In terms of obstacles, what do we have out our nose? I know we got wires out the right. It didn't look like anything out the left.
Yeah, this is Route Irish here.
Roger.
And this is checkpoint 3.
This is 3?
So that there's checkpoint 5 and the big antenna on the left there.
Okay, yeah, I got it now. I've got my
You guys good on fuel for a little while?
Was that for us there, Flex?
Roger, we have about 800 pounds.
Yeah, we're at 1900.
Yeah, Roger, just seeing how long our team can stay out here.
Baghdad Tower,
There's 2 helipads over there
Tower ready, back,
by,
copied on frequency.
do you have tally?
checkpoint 1 if you guys need to land.
So ready back, firm on final runway 33 right.
Yeah, there's one right here too, just not far from where we're just at. We're we're good right now. We got 900, he's got 800, we can hang a little bit.
It looks like it's still burning.
Oh yeah. At some point that thing's just gotta go.
I know, so it can't
Unless the fuel flows out there and the slipstream keeps it from spread.
Could be, man, I hope so.
It seemed like he's getting like further and further away.
Right, but he's getting lower, so I think he's probably has no aileron control, so he's probably got to lose altitude just by dropping airspeed.
It looks like he's turning like an extremely extended final.
Yeah.
And I don't think I can make it in.
Flex Enrique, we have an option. If we leave right now, we can transition to the south to Dogwood for refuel. Otherwise, we have about 20 minutes before the fuel lights start coming on.
Why don't they land there at SeaWorld or something?
I'd recommend you guys land at SeaWorld, and right over there, it's just about a mile off your nose.
You guys talk to anybody coming there?
Just tower. If you guys get low on fuel, just tell them you need to land at SeaWorld for fuel, and they'll let you do it.
Roger, we'll keep holding up here until it gets to a point where we're a little bit lower, and then we'll land if we have to.
There's one marked helipad, and there's a medevac pad, and there's a parking lot just to the
Lima.
southwest
Is the area
of
swept
the
for us
beach,
to
which
continue
is
the approach?
free-landed.
Oscar Lima, Lima, airspace is clear, both runways available.
Okay, thank you.
And they've had plenty of time to think about this one too.
Yep.
Could you confirm that we still have any smoke coming from the aircraft or fire or anything like that?
Roger, they do.
Tower Dragon Tamer 5-4 can still see smoke and flames coming from the left tip of the left wing.
Okay, left wing tip, fire and smoke, huh?
That's affirmative.
Thank you.
Come on, buddy.
It looks like it might be too high again. Well, I'm still looking up at the flare, or in the tats. I don't see him yet, do you?
Nothing visual.
He might be way out there again still.
Tower Dragon Timber 5-2, request landing at SeaWorld. Tower Dragon Timber 4-2, request landing at SeaWorld.
Strike number 4-2. Approved.
Probably thinking like, well, we don't really control that.
We're gonna go and try to find those pads, put it down.
Or do we have time to quickly come into and land an X-ray?
Giant Hammer 4-2, a negative, remain on the ground at SeaWorld.
Giant Hammer 4-2.
Dragon Tower 4 to contact ground 121.7 to...
Is he below the haze?
Dragon Tower 4 2, roger.
Might be. But, well, yeah, he must be, we're pretty much, you're looking at him fairly level, and we're at 500 feet. So.
We got one of the helipads and 2 helicopters to the north of it, correction, to the northwest of it.
Well, in the parking lot, you got a helicopter.
Same frequency.
You guys taking the helipad? Roger.
Roger. I hope that's the sun glinting off.
Yeah, I think it is. I hope it is too. There he is. He looks like he's still pretty high. You got him in sight now? He's just above the haze at 12 o'clock.
But he's still got a long way to go, though.
Yeah.
You guys don't land behind me, you can unscoot forward.
Yeah, roger, we'll just do that.
Roger.
Crash Jersey, I'm gonna pick up one circle around you, make sure everything's clear around us.
Roger.
Hey, ground. Can you guys get a hold of the ground, tell them we're landing ashore?
Baghdad Tower, good morning, long night 3 kid. Yeah, you still
Long
got
night,
something
3-2,
going over there.
We'll call takeoff.
contact ground 121.7, keep this frequency clear for emergency.
Fine, thank you. Come on, buddies.
And Tower Charlie 2-1 flight, let's just stay on the west side of the field here until he lands.
Charlie 2-1 approved.
Should I come out of another one? Huh? Never mind. I was gonna say, should I come out of another field of view? I think it'd be too wide though.
Come on, buddy.
Oh, no.
Good.
It looks like one of his gear collapsed. Yeah, it did. That runway's gonna be down for a while.
He's in the dirt.
Did he land in the dirt? I think one of his gear collapsed too. And do not post crash fire.
Alright, we're down to idle. Roger.
Switch to clear so we can see through that?
Yeah, go ahead.
For a while.
Now go back to TV.
Only hop ski over jump from here. How much fuel you guys got?
I got 730 right now.
Readiness 5-5, tracking to your world report landing.
Yeah, I don't want to take off with any
It looks
less
like
than 400.
Readiness 5-5, Wilco.
Roger.
We're approximately
If you want
7 miles to the north
shut
right now.
down completely, I'll stay up on the radios. I got more.
It looks like they already blown the door and are exiting them.
How much do you guys have?
I have 820.
Tower Dragon Tamer 5-4 has the entire episode on film.
120.
Oh, okay.
Dragon Tamer 5-4, thanks. We'll probably be contacting you on Eagle Ops to get that.
5-4.
And Tower Charlie 2-1 flight late will land on 33 left here north of the...
Way off the grid here?
You still have combo with ground?
Yep, you good.
Okay, recorded.
Roger, we let him know we were
Charlie 2-1,
down
3-2,
on the
left clear to
ground.
land.
Baghdad radio, stable.
Recorder's on. This would be the crash site for the DHL 7. Was it a 67?
Oh, no.
Well, anyway, he landed right between runway 33 left and taxiway Mike, I believe it is.
Damn. Rotowash kicking our ass. Well, that's because we're landing with a fucking tailwind. Oh, that's on the tape, isn't it? Crap!
Well, this tape's not going to be reviewed. Not with audio, anyway. Actually, you know, did he actually land in the dirt, or did he just come off the runway?
Looks like he went down the runway and...
Looks like his touchdown point was right about here.
Yeah, no joy on Falcon X-ray. What we're going to do is we're going to follow Irish up.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he left the runway where that white truck is.
And go up route center.
Yeah, they're sweeping the runway.
Roger.
Anyway, that's what's left of him.
We tried Falcon on triple balls and ball 02.
He said balls.
Look at that shot.
Grants, Jersey.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you're gonna get all the ground calls. I can't hardly talk to them.
Okay. Oh, ground.
Roger, you up ground?
7, and caution 2, vacating.
Ground Dragon Tamer 5-4 for Dragon Tamer 5-0. We're on Sierra.
A closer look at the burnt wing on
sir,
the
jumping the
DHL
burnt Apache taxiway to the north, X-ray taxiway for maintenance test flight check, sir.
I'm at 3-4, surface on taxiway for Mark, contact Bagdad Tower, 118.
the very end of the wingtip right there. Looks like
Roger, sir.
the first section of ailerons intact.
Apache
And
taxiway
this
for
section is
contact tower.
heavily damaged.
See demolish, huh? Oh, we never got a recording. No silly stuff.
Right. No, making fun of the Brits.
Right then.
Those people are climbing up under there trying to mess with something.
Jettison the wing stores.
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
I don't think we can see the engine. Yeah, it's obscured by the...
Yeah.
We can see what a good wing looks like.
Good wing is good. Good wing is reliable.
This is the good wing.
Baghdad ground, Troll 36. We cleared across the 3-3 line.
And this is the bad wing.
Baghdad ground, Troll 36. Are we cleared across 3-3 left?